See that vlog here? That vlog here are from a Jamaican them. Strictly Jamaican them. Shout out to every Jamaican in every part of the world. And I bet there's a Jamaican in every single country in every part of the world. Cause with us, global like that. Right? Jamaican big up on yourself everywhere and anywhere on the net. Even the bad mind, dirty one them when I have nothing good to go on for themselves and always I try to drag down people with them crab in a barrel mentality. And make Jamaica look like shit all across the world. You all them one day, you're still a Jamaican. You're a piece of shit, but you're a full piece of shit. Although you have to change up your act still. So big up to all the Jamaican them across the world. Big up to the Jamaican them who just left Jamaica about 6 to 8 months ago. And when you buck them a foreign, them a twang. And a mucker them come from. Some place down a back of Clarendon down there so. Down a back of bush. You know one little district when not even have one name yet. So big up them Jamaican there. And when you see them a foreign, like me have some brethren. Not some brethren, one particular brethren. I didn't see man for a couple of years. I'm there at foreign. And when I book him man in Miami the other day, I want a stage show. I said, blood clip brethren, are you that long time I don't see the eye. Yeah man no. Hey, what's going on dog? What's up man nigga? I said, my mama bum. So I said, alright, maybe a long time, cause a long time me there. So I said, well, maybe a long time, you know, long time me reach. Long time me reach and then thing there. So I have to ask him, Mr. Bridget, how long you there for now? The man said 7 months to rotted. I said 7 months? You mean 7 years? He said, no man, just come up the other day. But the way I say it is, no man, I just came up the other day, man. But well want to tell him say, yo, load the twanging thing, dog. Cause if you just come up the other day and remember how you used to talk, it's like they need you some lessons before you come. Cause how you twang so? Buck the next one in England. And the virgin that talk about you know science mate. Alright mate. I say look like you did that practice from before you reach. So big up to Jamaican them who just left Jamaica. And as they reach a foreign so they fling away accent and can't chat patois no more. I want to tell them say 30 years now me there, you know. There from me a picnic. From me eye down on my knee. Cause my parents them take me away and say a foreign you go live. From me a little picnic. And I can still talk like say a Jamaica I come from. Anyway you hear me, anyway you see me. If you're a yard man, right away. Although my American accent is very refined still. And I can switch it up, you know. But I still never lose my thing for a yard dog. So I don't understand how some man and some woman does reach and for them thing gone left them already. And all when I try to bring you out of them, I did I try to patois to him man. The man did they talk back to me like say I saw him born and grow. And he don't understand half of what me I said. I just step away and left him here man. So them big up to him same way. Cause I go down to Miami, I want to stage show the best I come up. I believe I 26. I go at that every year. So big up to him side way and I know so I'll link him there so again. I know that show a dog. But come on for a tonguing thing when you see me, you hear me? Here's the next one now. Big up to the Jamaican them where always have something bad to say about Jamaica. Especially when they talk to foreign people. Cause I see them up here you know. And I know that some of them come from some part of Jamaica I see. Where John know life rough. But in a give no right for you sell out the country so. Cause me and one man talk about Jamaica one day and I said, jeez I'm father peace like the man talk a style Jamaica in a worse way you know. Oh that shit hole. God damn and this and that and I said, alright, me jump in cause Me no know say man a Jamaican cause again, the brother a twang. So me jump in and start defend my birthplace. So me a defend the thing. And that's at that time the man broke out and make me know say in a some pato and make me know say a yard him come from too. So me I say dog why you style Jamaica like that? How what Jamaica do you? You don't feel say you can't go back there? You don't feel say then we send you back there? You know man no? Oh, I've been a citizen now for mad years. I've been a citizen now for mad years. I want to tell you something. I have a little brother right now. We just reached 30, you see? And a friend of man there 8 months old. Him there foreign. He left Jamaica 8 months old, you know? And the man never go back to Jamaica not even one time, you know? And I don't know if man get catch up in something still. Because you know, Ated and the blood in him, he get catch up in some things up here. I want to show you say 8 months to 30 years. So you can say man they are 29 years and 4 months in life. They take away man's citizenship and dip him. So big up to all the Jamaican them who they are foreign and feel so true them a fly upon blue book. Like them can't take away from you. You better go invest down in your yard here. Because anything can happen. And then people Uncle Sam hold you and kick you out and thing. And I wish part I go. Back down in Jamaica, after you done style up the place and cut off and the people them where know you're from your yard there you need. Don't do it. Don't do it. That's why I make sure say I send little sitting go a yard every now and then and take care of who me can take care of or help who me can help. Because the tide can turn any day. And you end up right back which part you're born, you hear me? Alright, so them Jamaican never feel say them can't reach back at them yard because them a fly upon blue book now. Wise up my friend, wise up. Because them send you go back at your yard. Now, here is the next one. Big up to Jamaican them with their foreign. A beer Benz and Beamer and a beer lavish lifestyle, name brand clothes, shoes are $400 and them thing there. And your people them down there I suffer like dog. I talk about your granny, you know. Your granny will raise you, you know, from your mother pit you out and shit you out and left you at your granny yard. And your granny raise you. And you left Jamaica and come a foreign when you're big. That means that you know say your granny raised you and you know the sacrifice your granny go through. And you left granny down there. And granny down there suffer, you know. And not even a dollar, not even a postcard. You not even go buy one $2 phone card and say, make your call granny, make granny pull out your little flip phone. Cause granny still can't flip phone. Even though we have touch screen and them thing there, Android and you up here with your Apple iPhone 6. And no found no granny name now flip phone. You no can call granny. Can send a little one message. For you go down there go take care of your people them. You up here live high life. You see all you know? You don't forget bun up, you know? For real man. You don't forget bun up. I see some man up here man. And them Yankee girls. And I say Yankee girls, I mean woman what is not Jamaican, them come from some other foreign nation, particularly American or whatever. And at that they them inner and them man here work hard and some of them work out their soul case or 2 jobs them work, you know. And that woman I get everything, you know. And then little granny down at yard there have one medical bill, one go a doctor go get one check up. And granny can't even go. And you is nowhere to be found. Granny no see you from when and your paper straight. Big up to the one them, the Jamaican them will fly down and go stay in a tourist resort. And not even say come out to a tourist resort and go in a hill and down in a gully go look for your people them. Half of the time when you fly in a country and your people them know say you land. Cause you go down through Mobile and go down through in a orchard there. And I go on like you know a tourist. Be a twanging. Be a foreign money I spend. And you now come out to a resort, you fly, you come down, you jump in at the van, because you know they have a van that pick you up. So you jump in a van from airport and then carry going straight in a resort. And you're in a resort till you left. And you jump in a van and go straight back at airport and fly back on the wicked, you know? Y'all know. Big up to the Jamaican them when not even send home $1, a penny for nobody. No member, nobody. You don't remember your brethren them, dog? You don't remember when you used to share everything? You don't remember when you used to share clothes and shoes? I remember when you used to share, when you used to run boat. Eh? You remember when you used to run boat? The man them still down there run boat. And you missing from the scene. No more communication lock off. I want to make one time when you land in that place, you know. Man want to rob you, you know. Can't do nothing. And I like say we there a foreign. I live big life all the way. Not for we there struggle. Including myself. Not for we there struggle. We not reach it big yet. But Jano, we comfortable more than some. You know what I say? And when we look around and I see certain things that we could have done for people, man. And we not do it. Say no man one thing, man, it don't cost nothing, man, it don't take too much, man. They have dollar store up here, man. Where everything in our store a dollar. I not talk family dollar store, because the other day, I just realize a family dollar store, I don't know dollar store. I know everything. Because I well go in there and pack up cat and talk about a barrel me a pack and send to Jamaica. And I say, boy, $140 this, because I have 140 items in a 2 shopping cart. And when I reach up a front, the woman I ring up, the first shot she ring up, the shot say $7.50. And I say, but how come it say dollar, family dollar? Me I think everything in that. She said, no, this is not a Dollar General, or this is not a dollar store. But that being said, we have store up here where everything in there $1. And somehow, you know, up here, all shoes they have in there for $1. I want to pair me a beat right here now. And I want to put my outfit together. Nobody can tell me some my shoes are $1. You know what I say? And you know have no people down there. Nephew, niece, I got school, barefoot dog. And I aisle up themselves with cooking oil. Cause you couldn't send in one bottle of lotion. $1 for it. Then can grease their scalp, head full of dandruff. And I use the coconut oil. $1 for it. $1 for little Vaseline or little hair oil. Look up whatever the name of the hair oil is what you use. Smell green. $1 for deodorant up here. So on the top go on like so you can't do nothing for the people. You can't do more than when you say you do. And some man down in Jamaica they too. You feel so because people reach foreign, so the whole of we have it. The whole of we not have it. And most of we up here not have it. We are going like say we have it. And I blame it upon the people that go down there to go use their rent money. Splurge. Beer party and beer bottles and them thing they hot in I see. And 94 degrees in the evening now, watch out. See that? 94 degrees. Now, back to this. I blame it upon the people that go down there, see? Go down a yard. Go splurge out their rent money. And no say when you come back up here, if push key go in your apartment door, you have to go tear off that sign upon the door. The sign will say, eviction notice. Me see people go down there now. And the most fancy this and fancy that. And the people that's why people believe so one time we up here so we have it. And if we don't have it like that. So I say look at one thing where you can do man, do it man. Look a bottle of lotion and hair oil and you know one pair of shoes. You don't have to be no $150 sneakers. You don't have to be no New Jordan, it's the hypest thing. Hey, me can't hype you them weird dog. But if me could, me would. But there are some decent shoes where you can go and beat still. And nobody now if you know say I some $20 shoes my buy con gear. You know what I say? But me bring in something and it's the thought that counts. A couple t-shirts and couple jeans and make your brethren and your family members them go and look, you know, clean and out and them thing there. But me can't spend half a whole of my rent money. Or in my case, my mortgage money. And when I come back up here, they want to fling me out of my place and I don't know if I live. I don't do it. So, big up to all our Jamaican them worldwide. link up.